Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to do a simple cut crease. Now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want a flat-headed brush, a fluffy brush, and then a dense packed brush. Now the dense one is to, add definition and depth, and let's get started. So you're going to grab the eyeshadow and just pack it on your eyelid, just like so. We're not worried too much about blending right now, we just want to pack it on the eyelid. While you're packing it, you might want to do a little blending, just a little bit, when the color becomes a little bit more intense. Make sure always to have primer on before any eyeshadow. It will help preventing, creasing, help the color apply way better, and bring out the vibrance and last way longer. So you want to grab the eyeshadow, pack it on while doing a little bit of blending. While you're blending, you want to go back and forth if you're not very good at blending yet. So it is a back and forth motion. Back and forth, back and forth. Now you want to make sure to go over your eye socket bone a little bit if you do have hooded eyes and small eyes, like I do. Next, you're going to grab a lighter shade and just apply it over the blue. There is two ways to do this. You can do the transition color first and then a darker color, or you can do just like so in the video and add a darker color and then a lighter color on top and blend it together. This will help the color look a lot smoother, not the color that look a lot smoother, look a lot more blended. It's going to help it look, less of that harsh eyeshadow look. So you're just going to blend that back and forth on top of the blue very carefully with a light hand. Back and forth motion. So the next thing you're going to do is grab any concealer and you're going to mark a little point on your eyelid and then look upwards, and that is going to stamp where your eye socket bone is at. If you have hooded eyes, make sure to go over that line a bit. So you're going to start from the front and work it towards the middle. And make sure to use that little point dot, that we made earlier as a guideline to where your line should be. And just keep going gradually, very slowly. Once you get better practice, you can go way faster, but if you're just starting out, make sure to do it nice and slow. Don't worry about it looking too chunky. You can diffuse that with your fingers. So the flat-headed brush is going to help you get those nice straight lines. And we're going to grab more and just pull it outwards like you're working a wing. So just pretend like you're doing, an eyeliner wing, and just pull it out. Keep pulling. Use that same line that we did earlier, that guideline, and pull. Now, if you have hooded eyes like me and they're small, like I said before, make sure to go over your eye socket bone just a bit to make your eyes appear way larger than they are. We're going to just put a little bit more over the whole eyelid, whatever we have left on a brush, and just dab with your finger, and we're going to diffuse the whole look. So that's diffused. Use your finger, and then grab any eyeshadow, any pen, a packed brush. Oops, sorry. And just dab all the color on there. Just make sure just to pack it on. Don't worry about blending it right now. Just don't overpack all the way to the top. You do not want to cover that line yet, because if you cover it, you're going to end up looking like a blotchy mess. So just make sure to keep packing any eyeshadow you want to use. This will help the concealer stay in place. So you're going to grab the eyeshadow and pull it upwards, blending the corners out. Don't overblend to the top, as I said before. You do not want a blotchy mess. Next, you're going to grab that dense brush and grab the eyeshadow you had prior to create more depth and field of your eye socket area. We want to add that definition. So just blend a little bit on top of that cut crease line very carefully with a light hand. And you're going to end up with like this, and make sure to clean it off. I did my eyeliner and eyelashes off camera. So you're going to end up with your final product looking like this, and this is for a starter cut crease. Now, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing your cut crease. If you don't get it right the first time, that's okay. Remember to always start off with a dot looking upwards, and that'll stamp where your cut crease should be. Once you get better, you no longer need to use it. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like and subscribe. And please make sure to hit the notification button, and I'll see you next time.